Hey, welcome. Today I'm going to talk about Python. Python is widely acceptable as the best programming language for beginner developers as it is simple and easy to use and learn. You may have some question about Python. What is Python? Where is Python used? And how does Python work? Today I will answer this question. Python is a high-level programming language that uses instruction to teach the computer to perform tasks. Python is an easy-to-learn, powerful programming language. A language that is closer to human language, like English, is known as a high-level language. Python is a free and open-source language. It was developed by Guido van Rossum and was released in 1991. Now go to the second question. Where is Python used? Python is used to create web applications, desktop applications, machine learning, and data science. Now go to the third question. How does Python work? First, we write instruction in English-based Python language. Python is an interpreter language, so there is no need to compile them. Python programs run directly through source code. The source code is converted into intermediate bytecode and then into the native language of the computer internally by the Python interpreter. The code is executed and the output is presented. Hey, if you want to learn more, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.